Welcome to Bark Realm, where you can enjoy beautiful dogs and adorable puppies in joyful and heartwarming moments. Our videos show dogs playing, exploring nature, and sharing love through different fun activities. If you see a dog that looks like yours, tell us its name or breed in the comments. Your dog might be featured in our next video. Subscribe to Bark Realm for relaxing and entertaining dog videos.
Happy birthday! Look how excited he is for the cake.
Barru, yo deleleo.
Welcome back, everyone. The food is almost ready.
And the entertainment has arrived.
Look at him go. He hasn't stopped barking since we pulled up. Ready, heel, and sit. Fetch. Good.
Beautiful coat presentation. Go ahead and move them around the ring now.
Yes, thank you, Judge.
We won. Good boy, we won. Yes, clear.
Good job, buddy. You found it.
Back, back, back. Weave, weave, get the tunnel. Up, up, over the top. Yeah.
Oh, he is so soft. What a good boy you are.
Warnes Programmierungsmittel, Verkortenadvertier ieder weeswitcher. En bis het dem vandes order leaserar sand wisdom and tight.
Good job. Push back gently. Hold it there. Steady now. Yes, perfect.
Yes, good boy. Look at all that weight. You did so well. Woo.
All right, bring it right on down the center there. Good boy, well done.
All right, class, let's hold that stay through the distractions. Excellent job, especially the Boston Terrier. Yes, very good. Ready, heel? Pivot. Pivot. Yes, good boy. Spin. Good job. Get back. Stay right there. Heel. That's a pass. Well done.
You are such a good boy. Go get the buoy, bring him in. Good boy, that's a pass.
Get back! Away to me!
Good dog, well done. That's it, look at you go. Good job, puppy. You're doing great. Stay back, leave it. Good boy. Yes, good job.
And then the little bear said, "I love you more than honey." The puppy wagged his tail happily.
Excellent work. That's a pass. You did it. Such a good dog.
That's a clean retrieve. Very well done.
That's it. Steady pace now. You are doing so well. Look at you. You go. Good boy.
When you see the exit sign clearly marked like this, you follow your plan, just like Duke here. He's letting us know this is the safe way out.
When brushing your Samoyed, always line brush to keep that undercoat healthy. See how fluffy and clean this is? That's what protects them from the elements.
Waylegging. Hold them steady. Now drive on, drive on.
You did it. You're officially certified. I am so proud of you, good dog.
And the winner of the Rare Breed Championship, the magnificent Joloit Squintley.
Go, go, weave, keep going. Yes, good boy, we did it! Good dog, you did it. We finally did it, boy.
You did it. You're the champion. Good boy. Congratulations to the new champion.
The Terrier Group Champion title is awarded to the outstanding Bedlington Terrier. Congratulations to the team.
What a good boy, you did it! That's my champion! Congratulations on achieving the Companion Champion title.
Thank you so much. He did wonderfully today.
He is magnificent, a clear champion.
Thank you.
You got the title, good boy. What a champion. A perfect run for the defending champions.
Go, go, almost there.
And they take the All-American title.
Good boy, you found it. That is an excellent find.
The Working Group Champion, the English Mastiff.
Good boy. Good boy, you did it. We are the champions. The Hound Group Champion, the magnificent Scottish Deerhound. The Pharaoh Hound is awarded the Primitive Breed Championship. Well done.
And the winner of the Primitive Breed Championship is the magnificent Pharaoh Hound. Congratulations to the handler and the new champion.
Congratulations on a stellar performance.
He did it. He really did it. Good boy.
Thank you, Judge. He really earned it today.
Well deserved. Congratulations to you both.
Yes, we finally did it. You are the champion. And your new champion, a superb Spanish water dog.
Good boy, we finally did it.
Congratulations. Your dog demonstrated excellent control and guardianship today. That's it, bring it in. Good dog. We finally did it, boy.
Congratulations on a stellar run.
Thank you, he did great today. And here is your new Oregon Spitz Companion champion. Finished. Good dog.